Hello. Today, 1st of May 2020, marks the 21st death anniversary of my late grandfather, Shri Jashwantlal Vallabhdas Shah. I dedicate this ventilator in his name. Hi, I am Chintan Shah from Flexel Engitech Private Limited. We are a company based out of Vadodara, Gujarat, India. We have developed this ventilator in this global pandemic times of coronavirus, where there is a shortage of ventilators worldwide. This is a mechanical emergency ventilator which is to be used only when there is a shortage of full-fledged ventilators. This in no way replaces a full-fledged ventilator, and when one is available, the patient should be transferred from this to the full-fledged ventilator. This mechanical ventilator is manufactured using 3D printed parts, acrylic components, and the electrical circuit consists of functioning with stepper motor and rack and pinion design, which pushes the embo bag with respect to breaths per minute, controlled by here. The embo bag has a reservoir and is also connected with a oxygen pipeline which can be connected to the hospital oxygen supply. At the other end is a peep valve as well as a manometer, and with the pipeline is connected to the oxygen mask. Basically, this oxygen mask is connected over here, but for display purpose we have connected a pipe to explain the understanding of this. It is also connected with a HEPA filter, so that when the patient exhales, the filter the virus particles are filtered out so that the supporting medical staff is not affected. It is also connected to a pressure sensor to sense what amount of pressure of oxygen is being given to the patient. This is the functioning of the ventilator, where the stepper motor with a rack and pinion design supported by a linear guideway pushes the two blocks into the embo bag, and the speed can be controlled. The breaths per minute can be controlled. I thank everyone who helped us in the manufacturing of this ventilator. Thank you.